Tickety boo and good day you. How you going today? I'm going to be cooking. Yes, me. The guy that hardly cooks. That's me. I'll be doing it today. Today's Friday night. Friday fish and chip night. And football. Football, fish and chips on a Friday. Here in WA anyway. I've got something special. I've already prepared it. You would have seen how I've done it already. No, you wouldn't have. But you're going to see how I've done it. I've sped it up a bit too. Jewies, Jewfish. I've got 4 pieces of Jewfish here, which a friend of mine donated to me. Thank you very much, Mr. B. I won't say your name in case I'll be after you saying, where's my frickin' Jewfish? Oh, I can hear the frying pan over here. Hang on. Just turn that down. Turn it down. That's my butter. I don't want to burn my butter. What was I up to? Oh, that's right. Already prepared it all. What I'm going to do with this leftover egg is make an omelette or scramble it. And I'm having the chips, and I'm using these chips here, sweet potato chips. 10 minutes. 10 minutes in the air fryer at 200 degrees. That's all you need. I don't know if I'll do some gravy with this, but I've got some beer in the fridge what I'm going to have with this. So follow me and check out what I'm going to be doing. Coming up right now. Yep, okay, what I've done is I managed to cut 2 pieces up into 4 pieces. There we go. Only just me. But that's all right. This just reminds me why I always buy them already pre-made in breadcrumbs. What a mess. Okay, there's my fish, already crumbed, prepared. What I do with that leftover is I make a like an omelette out of it. So scrambled eggs with a bit of seasoning in it, and my sweet potatoes. They'll go in the air fryer for about 10 minutes on 200 degrees. Let's go, let's do it. Okay, I've got butter in here. I like to use butter when I'm cooking with breadcrumbs or fish and chips. Or what I should say is anything to do with breadcrumbs. I like to use butter. I just feel it has a different flavour to it. Turn this up a bit. Might as well not waste this. Trying to make this video as short as I can, so that's it for now. Okay, as I said, the sweet potato chips go in here into the air fryer at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. We'll see you in 10 minutes. If you only you could smell it. It smells nice. Looks pretty good. The idea is not to cook it too quick. That way it burns, and I think it might make the fish a bit dry and tough. Not sure. But I always like a slow burn. A slow cook, I mean, not a slow burn. There you go, I've turned it over and they seem to be going pretty nicely. Slowly cooking. Looks nice and soft. Love that smell. Yum. Looks like it's turned out to be a bit of a schmozzle. I've had to put the pieces, squash them down a bit to make sure that it's cooked through properly. Because I think because it was so thick, it wasn't cooking all the way through. So I've sort of like squashed them down a bit. Oh, there's the chippies already. But yeah, it looks to be cooked all right now. I'll get it out on the plate, eh? What I actually call this is like deconstructive jewfish. Deconstructive jewfish on a plate. Oh my gosh. I think this was a real fail attempt, this one here. But hey, look. You live and learn. I'm living and I'm learning. Because I hardly cook, man. Come on, you got to give me a break. Got to give me a break. But look, it's cooked all the way through. That's the main thing. but it is a bit of a fail. I'll come back to that. Let's get to the chips. Righto. After all that, that's a big fail for me today. But look, that's all right. There I've got my sweet potato fries and my deconstructive jewfish, which look like really good pieces at the start. So the only way to finish this off now is with a little bit of chicken salt. For those of you that aren't from Australia, you're probably going, chicken salt? Yep, chicken salt. That's what we mainly put on our fish and chips over here. And I've got myself a Peroni. Oh, that won't open up. Oh, another fail. There we go. Beer, fish and chips, Friday night football. What else can you ask for? You like my stuff, you love my stuff, share my stuff. This is coming from the guy that hardly cooks, and it's okay. I'm happy with it. Have a great night, folks. Take care and enjoy your night and enjoy your meal, whatever you're eating. Ciao.